Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss the second lesson in 7th class science acids and bases. Before going to the class I am asking a question. In our daily life we are taking different food items. Think all the food items have same taste? Different food items have different taste. What are the different tastes you tasted till now? Sweet, sour, bitter, salty, spicy. Let us give some examples. Did you think why some food items have same taste like orange lemon? They have sour taste. Why bitter curd or baking soda have bitter taste? We are going to learn about this one now. How milk becomes curd? We all know by lactic acid. Because of lactic acid, it becomes curd. What is that acid? Milk and curd. Lactic acid. Because this acid curd in taste of sour. For example, take payasam. Payasam tastes different to milk, but it is from milk only. Why the taste of payasam changes compared to taste of milk? To prepare payasam, we are adding some ingredients to milk. Two, because the taste of milk changed. So daily we are eating the different type of food items. How these food items are getting very tasty by adding some ingredients, the food items get taste. Curd, lemon juice, orange, tamarind have sour taste. Why? Because they contain some chemicals which are called acids. Coffee, tea, green tea, olives are in the taste of bitter. So they are contain some chemicals that one called bases. All of you open page number 9. In our daily life we use a lot of materials. Even our food has a lot of varieties. Different items also have different taste. In preparing and storing food we take a lot of care. In this chapter we would try to understand the reasons for some of them. Let us first think over the following questions related to what we eat. What sort of food do we eat? Are all the items alike? For example, do they have the same color, taste, etc.? In what way are they different? What kind of tastes do food substances we eat have? Fruits, vegetables, and other food substances have different tastes. Write the names of food substances that you know in the appropriate column based on their taste. So, all of you see the tabular form 1, table 1. Here, here given tabular form serial number sweet, sour, bitter, salty, spicy. Which food item in sweet, which food item in sour taste, which food item in bitter taste, which food item in salty taste, which food item in spicy taste. Here bitter means wagaru. Remaining all we know. First of all, come to the first column sweet. Sugar, janggery, glucose, sugarcane, banana, mango. These all fruits are in taste of sweet. Next one, lemon juice. Lemon is in the taste of sour. Okay, lemon juice. Similar items: lime, orange, tamarind, vinegar, pickles. Some pickles also in the taste of sour. So, okay, if you know some of the items, you have to write in the tabular form. Next, in the taste of bitter gourd, coffee, tea, green tea, olives, like this, some of the items in the taste of bitter. Why? Because these taste containing these substances, because they are containing the bases. They are containing the bases. Because of the sour taste, because of the sweet taste, because these food items or these fruits containing the acids, because of they get this taste. What is the taste? Sweet and sour. Next column, salty. We all know what is the salty taste. Common salt, rock salt, sea vegetables. Which vegetables occurred from which vegetables obtained from the sea, that one also taste salty taste. Rock salt also in the taste of salty. Why? Because these ingredients are containing a basis. Because of that, these substances are getting the salty taste. Next one, spicy. Already we all know which items are in spicy. Red chilies, green chilies, and onions and red chilies. all are this. If you know any spicy item, so you have to write here. Spicy taste also because of the basis. In Telugu, acids and bases are called amlalu, kshaaralu. When you comparing to the soap water, what happened to the soap water? It is very soft. When you are touch the soap, what you feel very soft because of the softness, also because of the basis. All of you write these items in the tabular form. Next, see in the textbook. Do you experience any other taste in your daily life? Write them below. Do you find any different in the taste of a raw and a ripe fruits? Like this question, so you have answer. Do some substances change their taste when cooked? Do substances change their taste when added to some other substances? Add salt to lemon juice. How do the two together taste now? Add sugar to lemon juice. Water changes do you notice in the taste? Is there any difference in the taste without sugar? So definitely there is the difference between the water taste when we are adding the sugar to lemon water and when we are adding the salt to lemon water. The both the water tastes will be different. Definitely some substances change when cooked. Why? Because we are by adding the some ingredients. So that means oils, soaps, like that we are adding to change the taste of substances. So when we are cooking the food items, then the food items taste will be definitely changes. Next, do you find the difference in the taste of a raw and a ripe fruit? Definitely. When we are eating the raw mango, what is the taste? Taste will be sour. When we are eating the ripe fruit of the mango, what happen? The taste will very sweet. We like to eat ripe mango, not a raw mango. Okay, all of you. Next, do some substance change color when added to the substances? Definitely the color will be changes when we are one substances to another substance. How we observe any change when lime water is added to turmeric? Definitely we observe the color changed into red color when we are adding the turmeric powder to the lime water. When we are adding the lime water to turmeric powder, what happened? The color of the turmeric powder will be changed to red color. Let us do a small activity. Take some turmeric powder and a bit of water to it and prepare turmeric paste. Rub the turmeric paste on a white paper. Draw a flower on the paper with a pencil. Color the flower with soap water using a brush. Here observing in this picture we are taking the white paper and that one we are pasting the turmeric powder paste. How we prepare the turmeric powder paste? By adding the lime water to turmeric powder, it becomes a turmeric powder paste. That one rubbing on the white paper and draw a flower by using the pencil. After drawing the flower, color the flower with soap water using a brush. Does the color of the flower remains the same when soap water is used? Similarly, take some lime water. Add a few drops of it on a piece of turmeric paper. Does the paper changes its color? Is the changed color of turmeric paper the same in both the cases? When we are adding the soap water to the flower, what happened to the color of the flower? Color of the flower will be changed into the red color. Okay, now so in changed color to turmeric powder, the same in both the cases. When we are adding the lime water, when we are adding the soap water, the color of the turmeric powder will be changes. All of you see in the textbook. Rani and Sai dropped food they were eating on a white sheet. They washed the sheet with soap and found to their surprise a red spot appearing on the sheet. What is the reason for the red spot? Already we discussed. Why? Because by adding the soap water, turmeric powder will be changes its color into the red color. Color change. We notice here that turmeric changes color when soap water or lime water is added to it. It is possible that some other substances also change their color. Let us see. Let us do activity 2. Take a piece turmeric paper, find as many of the substances given in the table 3 as possible and put them on the turmeric paper one by one. You could try using other substances around you as well. What do you observe? Do you find any change in color We notice that the color of the turmeric pepper changes with some substances when added to it. The substance which indicates a change in color when some substances are added to them are known as indicator. Substances which are changing their colors when adding some substances, that substances will be called as the indicators. Here, turmeric is a natural indicator. We can also other natural indicators mentioned in the table 2 and carry out the test. Let us test some substances using the natural indicators to the substances mentioned in the table 3 and natural indicators and observe the change in color. Write the change in colors in table 2. Here in this table we are taking indicators and color change observed. Here the natural indicators we are taken. What are they? Here we are taking some natural indicators. What are they? Turmeric, petals of hibiscus, mango leaf, beetroot and oleander. Here the petals of hibiscus means mandaram and oleander means that one will be ganner puvu. Remaining all we know. In this table we have to see by adding some substances to this indicators what are the color changes we have to observe here. First we are taking the color of the indicator paper. When we are adding the color of the paper yellow. When adding the petals of hibiscus, what happened? When adding the mango leaf, what happened to the color? Green color of the paper. Next, beetroot. When we are adding the beetroot, what is the color of the indicator paper? Red color. When we are adding the oleander, what is the color of the indicator paper? Red. By adding these substances, what happened to the indicator paper color? Color will be changed in different colors. First one yellow, red, green, red. Next one, vinegar. By adding the turmeric powder to the vinegar, the color not changed. Petals of hibiscus, the color not changed. Mango leaf, the color not changed. Beetroot, color not changed. Oleander, color changed into red. When we are adding the oleander to the vinegar, what happened? The color of the vinegar will be changed. Which color? Into the red color. Next one, third one, apple juice. By adding the turmeric powder, color not changed. Petals of hibiscus, the color not changed. Mango leaf, color not changed. Beetroot, color not changed. When we are adding the oleander, the color changed into red. Apple juice, adding to the oleander, what happened? The color of changed. Like this, you have to write remainings. Next one, try substances and observe the change. Let us do table 3. Let us do activity 3. Take solutions of some juices of fruits, vegetables, could drink and various solutions and taste them with blue and red litmus paper. List out the result in the table 3 by making a tick in the relevant column. Here in this table given substances, red litmus turn blue, blue litmus turn red, no change in litmus. So when we are adding these substances to this red litmus, blue litmus and so what happened to the color of these substances we have to observe in this table by doing this activity. So here first substance is orange, red litmus turn blue, no. Okay, now blue litmus turns to red, yes, you have to take this one and no change in items, you don't write anything. Next, tomatoes, blue litmus turns to red. Next, baking soda, red litmus turns to blue. Next, mineral water, no change in litmus. Vinegar, blue litmus. Next, salt water, no change. Next, shampoo, red litmus. Next, washing soda, red litmus turns to blue. Next, remaining split, saliva, cucumber, red ground keera, buttermilk, cold drink, cool drink, lemon juice, grape juice, bathing soap, detergent soap. These all are blue litmus turns into red. By seeing the tabular form, you have to fulfill in your textbook tabular form. Okay, children, all of you observe, all of you understood what we discussed in the today lesson about the acids and bases. In table 2 up to lemon juice, the colors will be similar. Why? Because they are containing the acids. And after soap to milk of magnesia, these all are containing the basis. Because of these all colors are very near similar colors. All of you must and should read the textbook and fulfill this tabular form by listening this lesson. Thank you everyone.